All right, so welcome to this week's Unikernel application spotlight. This week we're looking at Tellstone. Tellstone is a ultra-fast in-memory database alternative to Redis. This is written in Go, and as it says, it's basically a Redis alt. I got wind of this because somebody shared this. I think this was on LinkedIn first. When I originally saw it, I don't quite remember. Maybe it was on Twitter. But I saw it. I was like, wait a minute, I know this. And so this was kind of cool to see that whoever this was had benched this against like a Ubuntu instance, and Nanos won on these benchmarks, both on these kind of operations per second, but also like our P50s, P99s, that sort of thing. So that was really cool to see, and this got put onto the list of me making a package out of it. It's pretty easy to make a package because it's a single statically linked binary. So some of the things, it's a kind of shared nothing, zero copy architecture. It actually has two protocols. It has the Redis compatible protocol which is simple, and you can drive via Telnet if you want. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I guess they are kind of performance oriented, and they have quite a few benchmarks. I wonder if it's so they got quite a few different benchmarks, and if you know the space, there's a lot of Redis alts out there. Like you got Redis obviously, but you got Valkey and Dragonfly and just 1,000 other options in this space. And by the way, most of them we have Unikernel packages for. So that'd be interesting to kind of contrast and compare, for that. But you can kind of see that they do some operations per seconds and on different core counts and all that good stuff. But yeah, if you know Redis, you know what this is. We can go ahead and take a look at the package. It's really basic. So I'm going to show you 6379, the traditional protocol, because that's what I'm familiar with. But obviously the other binary protocol is probably like way better, simply because it's binary. So we spin it up immediately. It starts, which is great. We got this nice little ASCII art here. Even tells us SHA, so we're running 110. And what we can do is we can just start, do I have to? Yeah, so using Redis CLI, I can just pin it. I got my Pong. Now we can do like a set key, my key, my val. Sorry, set. Set, I think it's this, right? My key, my val. Okay, so we set it a key of my key with a value of my val, and now we can kind of get my key, and it says my val. Pretty basic, nothing too crazy here. If we look at the package, Tellstone, there's really nothing in this package at all. Whopping 4 files. So I didn't even need the sysroot in here. The binary itself is it's less than 10 meg, and it's so it's stripped. Makes sense. But yeah, this less than 10 megs. This fits straight in with Unikernel ideology here. It's pretty cool. But like I said, again, this is what drove me to make the package. Was somebody posted these benchmarks, and that's how I actually found out about this project. But this is Tellstone running as a Nanos Unikernel. All right, till next week.